Hi Brainbox, welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. After discussing addition of fractions, let us now tackle subtraction of fractions. Before you continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Same with adding fractions, it is also important to identify if the fractions are similar, dissimilar, or mixed because each type of fractions has its own rules and we will discuss them one by one. Subtracting a similar fraction is also the simplest among the three types of fractions. Since these fractions have similar denominators, we just have to subtract the numerators, then retain the denominator each time we perform subtraction. Examples: 4/5 minus 2/5 equals 2/5. 5/8 minus 2/8 equals 3/8. Subtracting dissimilar fractions. The following are the rules when subtracting dissimilar fractions. These may look a little bit complicated compared with similar fractions, but we can discuss this step by step. First, write the fractions vertically. Align the whole numbers and the fractions. Next, get the least common denominator or the LCD. Then, change the fractions to an equivalent with LCD as denominator. Subtract as like fractions. Lastly, reduce the answer to lowest term, if necessary. Special topic: changing fractions to equivalent fractions. Find the LCD or LCM of the fractions. Divide the LCD by each denominator and multiply the answer to the numerator. Your answer will be the new numerator. Example: 5/6 minus 4/18 equals 15 minus 4/18 equals 11/18. In cases where there is a need to convert fractions to its equivalent form, the following rules apply. First, you must find the least common denominator or multiple of the fractions. Then, divide the LCD by each of the denominators, then multiply the quotient to each numerator. If subtraction is the operation, just subtract the new numerators, then retain the denominator. This will serve as the new fraction to be used. Case 1. Subtracting a whole number and fraction. Example: 5 minus 2 and 1/3. When subtracting a whole number and a fraction, the first step we have to do is to convert first the whole number to a mixed number. Since this is subtraction, we cannot just simply bring down the whole number. After converting the whole number to a like fraction, we can now proceed. We can subtract first the whole numbers from each other, then the numerators. Since they are like fractions, we can just retain the denominator. Case 2. Subtracting mixed numbers with borrowing. Example: 8 3/7 minus 4 3/5. In some cases, we may be given a problem which will entail us to use borrowing method. For the given example, as you can observe, we still converted the two fraction to like fractions. However, since the denominator of the first fraction, the minuend, is smaller than that of the second fraction, the subtrahend, we will do borrowing from the whole number of the minuend. The original fraction of 8 and 15/35 will be 7 and 15/35 plus 35/35, which will result in 7 and 50/35. Since we can now perform subtraction, the final answer will be 3 and 29/35. Since we have thoroughly discussed subtraction of fractions, let us try to expound our knowledge by answering this practice set. You have 1 minute to answer each item. Good luck! Number 1. Solve the following expression: 7/9 minus 3/9. Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 4/9. In our first exercise, we have to subtract similar fractions. As discussed, we can retain the denominator and immediately proceed to subtracting the numerators. Number 2. 5/6 minus 2/3. Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 1/6. Since we are given dissimilar fractions, we have to get first the least common denominator. Since the denominators are 3 and 6, the LCD is 6. After this, we can now proceed to subtracting the numerators. Final answer will be 1/6. Number 3. 6 and 2 over 12 minus 3 and 2/6. Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 2 and 5/6. In our last case, this concerns subtraction with borrowing. As discussed, we have to convert first the dissimilar fractions to like fractions. Since the numerator of the minuend fraction is smaller than the subtrahend fraction, we can borrow from the whole number of the first fraction. After this, we can now proceed to performing the subtraction. That's a wrap. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.